Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. Just like I think great price action on the markets today. Markets were up 0.69%, and actually that was pulled down by the resource stocks. If you take those out of the equation, I think the market was up maybe even a lot higher, maybe 1.5%. The resources just did pull it down again, and obviously companies like BHP do hold a strong weighting on the ASX 200. So I think it's good price action, and I think it's very, very bullish, and it certainly looks like our market, possibly with just the rumour of interest rates possibly going down even further, I think we could march on even higher, and certainly that sort of 5,600 levels got to be on the cards. I think you can see that with the result of obviously the trending stocks we've got on at the moment. And if you can have a look here, obviously there's a whole heap here that I think we're going to be taking some nice profits fairly soon. And they did really well today, like obviously Star Entertainment looks great. What a fantastic trend, up 1%. And the corporate travel, the one we put on yesterday, had a nice jump today, up 2.29%. Again, what a great looking chart. Very simple what we do here at Equity Story. This is even looking better, and I think this is definitely going a lot higher. Sometimes we go in, we'll take 5, 6, 7%, but if I really like the charts, we'll hold them longer. Again, we always have to. The mother of all charts is the ASX 200, and we also, when we're trending, have to take that into account. But again, Hansen Technologies looks absolutely stunning, absolutely fantastic looking price action. Ramsay Health Care, again up over 3%. I think I was saying to you the other day on the videos that I think this price action will continue higher, and for me it looks very, very good. CSL, again, I think it could be a little bit of resistance here, but it'd be interesting to see how she behaves tomorrow. I think if she can break through that resistance level, that when to close 1,017.11, she can close hard than that. I think by the end of the week, I think CSL can really march on and maybe even try that 125 level. TPM again looking really good. So all the trending stocks we've got on the moment, I'm really pleased the way they're trending, and here we go. The number one of all trending stocks on the ASX, BAP, Burson, what a fantastic trend again. Just looks like it's going a lot higher. Just like I say, we put a new trend on today, Vocus. Again, Wise just did that capital raise, starting to come back a bit, so doing all the right things and behaving exactly how we like our stocks to behave, and I think that looks absolutely stunning. It looks really, really, really bullish. I just like to say, I was actually we're thinking about oil, and I think if you're in oil stocks, be a little bit careful. Just a little crude oil chart here, and I think you can clearly see that the oil trend for me is still down. So if you're looking to get into those origins and oil searches, again, be very careful, because I do think the trend's down, and I'll have a look, and I'll give you an example. If you can, look at some of the classic oil charts like Oil Search. For me, these trends are still pretty weak. Again, you'd want to see Oil Search spending some time above this moving average and getting some deep pattern, so you can feel that there's some serious trend back on. And if you look at things like Woodside Petroleum, again, it's pretty weak. So I don't like trying to pick bottoms, and these oil stocks still look really weak, and I think with the oil price going down, it's certainly be an area that you should be very careful of, and potentially still stay well away from. So I lost my spot on the charts. Got so many charts we're looking at all the time. I just like to say, we put out these weekly on Einstein's trending blog. We put out the stocks that have the classic buy signals, and it was good to see today. These are the stocks here. You can see AWC down to SHL. It's good to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those hitting record highs. It just shows how those buy signals are so accurate, basically week in, week out. And again, some of them having some good gains, like 2%, 2.5%, 3%, Seek 2%. So really good. And again, with the stocks that we said should be bullish this week, good to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sort of yearly highs. And again, some of these stocks doing very, very well, and only 4 in the red out of about 26 stocks. So again, good effort by those weekly buy and sell signals, and sort of giving us that sort of guidance that we're looking for in if we're sort of looking at a quick trade each week to obviously try and make some money. Just one little thing. Yesterday we were talking about Domino's. It's funny, I was saying how Domino's looked really good in the charts. I thought it was going to go up today, but I didn't want to put it on. And again, I think at one stage today it hit a record high. It was up about 4.5%. It just shows how often the technicals can outdo the fundamentals. Again, it did have a good day, but I still think fundamentally there are some issues at the moment with this employment salaries that they could get hit on. So I think just to be careful. There's plenty of really good stocks that are trending up, so why pick one where there's potentially a bit of risk? There's no need. Anyway, I'd like to thank you for listening to Equity Story. Hopefully we'll have some maybe another trend coming on tomorrow. We might be taking some profits. Still looking at some 10 baggers, and hopefully we'll get one on fairly soon. Anyway, thank you very much, and I look forward to giving you this report tomorrow night. Good night.